Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to the border between My An Beach and My Beach. So over there is My Beach, there is My An Beach, and we're gonna actually walk towards the city center. But of course we're staying around this neighborhood. If you want to walk to the city center, it's around 30 minutes, 40 minutes, really depends. But yeah, this here is also the 43 town neighborhood. It's actually nice to eat in there as well. It's AC and you have a nice look. A lot of people, I'm not sure where those photos are getting posted everywhere, but I guess I'm all in there because I'm walking through that. There are even professional photographers here. I think I've seen him often here. This is crazy. There's also, this is a popular spot to make photos, and there's this one mango thing, the fruit shop. Is always full of making photos. I think this is like, it's almost like a Schnitzeljagd. It's like you have to have a specific photo in the specific area of the city all the time. It's a crazy thing. But yeah, maybe I'm just too old. Maybe I should start doing this. Hey David, if you're watching this, we should do that. Both Davids. Aussie David and Korean David. And American David and all my Davids. You know what, that would be funny if I have all my Davids here one time on a photo shoot. Here, like a ABG photo shoot. But Korean David, you're too young. I'm sorry, maybe I have to exclude you. You probably don't want to do it anyways. Maybe I will ask you in this video. Hold on, let me see if you wrote back. That would be funny. I think Aussie David would be even funnier because he's a rusty old man. A rusty, naughty old man. Look at how calm this intersection is during the day, and then in the evening it's getting so rowdy. It's actually, I walked now since, I don't know, maybe 7,000 steps today already during noontime, and it's not that bad. I think 1 month ago it was way hotter and way more humid. Also my dehumidifier doesn't work that much either. I have it set to maximum 60%, and then it turns on and sucks out all the air out of the room. But it stays under 60. This is very important. If you want to be here, get a dehumidifier. During the rainy season, it can be very wet in the rooms. And this is usually also the time when they start molding everything. This is like the little sneaky way from the landlords what they're doing. When they have mold, they just paint over it. So sometimes you come in there and then after 3 months the mold comes out again. So you gotta be careful about that. If you're sensitive with that, you might wipe down this. I don't know what to do if the mold is under the paint. Keep it dry. Keep the room dry. Get a dehumidifier. There should be a rental place, or maybe if you see a condo with a dehumidifier, you should go in there, because then you know the owners actually care about humidity levels and mold. Okay, how much does a liter of gasoline cost? 22,000 dong. It's very, very affordable. 22,000 dong is 90 cents. Maybe 87 cents US. I mean, to be honest, Americans are very spoiled with cheap fuel prices. Okay, I'll take it back. You probably from California, since my data tells me that California is expensive compared to the rest of America. I think in the rest of America, fuel prices are very cheap compared to Europe and compared to Germany especially. When I went to Germany, I actually paid €2 One time I paid 197 and one time 117. There's a brand new coffee shop, Phuc Long. Wow. This whole coffee shop was not there 4 weeks ago. Can you imagine how fast they built these things? It was not there at all, and now it's there. It looks very nice. Crazy how fast that goes. Wow. So compared to America, I think Germany is very, very expensive with the gasoline. But also, I have to say, the new cars are very efficient as well. I had a rental. I rented a German car, but they gave me a Volvo. And I'm like, what is this? I don't want to drive a Volvo. Nothing against you, my Swedish viewers here. But I wanted to have a Bavarian car, either by BMW or Audi. But they did not have it, so they gave me a Volvo, a space wagon, or what is it called? The ones for the families. I mean, it's not a van, it's low, but I don't know what the name is. But I drove it for 4 days, and I was actually super excited about it. I mean, it's amazing. These new Volvos are so nice to drive. The sound system is perfect. Everything was nice in this car. I'm a huge fan now. I'm a Volvo guy. And the thing is, I have a wife, and my wife is pregnant, so I'm basically almost a family father, so I don't care driving a cool car anyways. I might as well drive a car that is very nice inside and feels good. Yes, no one will ever look at it, but maybe it's also better like that. But yeah, it was super nice. Volvo V60 and something. Maybe it was a hybrid. I'm not 100% sure. But 4 days of driving every single day, everywhere in Germany, I only paid 37 euro to fill it up again before I returned the rental. So that was a very good deal. And I think I will always rent a car. German public transport depends where you are, but in a little bit of bigger cities, it's kinda a shit show. It feels like, nah, that's not people I want to be around with, to be honest. So public transport, I mean, I never took public transport in the first place. Germany is a car nation. At least it was. People who are younger than me will disagree. They will say, oh, we have such a great infrastructure. We have functioning this and functioning that. Yeah, okay. But I don't want to sit in there with a lot of people in a cramped up something. No, I don't want to. I always drove cars since I was 18 years old. Hello. I always drove cars since I was 18. I got my driver license with 16. And yeah, I don't think it's nice to drive public transport. And in America, let's not start about that either. I was very naive to think I could drive the CTA in Chicago. Hell no. Never ever again. The shit I saw there is crazy. I don't know how the New York underground is, but... Hi, servus. But yeah, I'm walking actually towards Danasol. I'm meeting David. The thing is, with the public transport, it's always the big plus in Bangkok, right? It also works very well. But still, I don't like to be cramped up in a place. So I always thinking about Could Bangkok be an option also to live for a few months of the year? Because it's very close and it's totally different than Da Nang. And my wife loves Bangkok as well. But you have to choose one specific neighborhood. Because if you have to commute somewhere all the time that it takes is pretty annoying. Oh, there's a new place, Amaya. Baba Ganoush. Cafe, brunch and workspace, okay. What I like about Da Nang is actually you don't have to use public transport because the neighborhood is kind of walkable. I mean, kinda. It's not always perfect as you see here. I walk on the street, but it's kinda okay if you're fit. If you're not, if you don't have issues with walking, it's okay. And I believe and I really hope in the next 5 years the pavement situation will be for all people, not only for young people. Maybe then also retired Vietnamese man or woman can walk safe on the pavement. Or mothers with their stroller can walk safe on the pavement. I really believe in 5 years we will have a more civilized pavement situation here. Like this is, I don't understand why you would plant a tree here or a bush. But it is what it is. Like this here also. This is, think about it, if you have a stroller, I mean this maybe is because I'm thinking about a stroller, right? So it's easier to go to the street than go here. But maybe it sounds stupid now, but it is actually easy to walk around in this neighborhood here. That's what I love about this neighborhood. I also, even though I live on the river, I can easily walk here to the beach, what I just did. I did it. I did it today, and I will also walk back. It's no problem. 20 minutes, that's nothing. And there are some streets you can actually use. The big streets, they're always good with the pavement. And then on the beach side, you can walk on the beach walk. And then you can also walk always very safe and secure on the river. Just the zigzag around. Oh, what is that? In between, that you don't have a good pavement. There's also, the idea is already here, you see? The idea is here. The idea on paper is that. Walking. Motorbike. Motorbike. Walking. So they don't understand it, okay? So here, I'm parking in the middle. I'm blocking for motorbikes and I'm blocking for humans. Then you also have the, of course, my favorites, flower pots. But as you see, the rules are there. Sometimes they enforce it, but it's not that frequent yet. As you can see here, everyone is parking still wrong. Even though there's a sign, there's the motorbike and this is the walking. But at some point, with higher fines, maybe it will work out. Sometimes, maybe. Whew. Whew, it's very full. Hopefully we will have a space in there. So I'm gonna have a breakfast burrito here and David will have a full English breakfast. Look at this English man here. And then also Tommy here. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out this video here and see you in the next one.